So hello everyone. So fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So till now we have learned about successive division method, then finding the HCF of two integer, then three positive integer, then the linear combination. Now fundamental theorem of arithmetic. You might be thinking, is successive division method this much only? No. Actually there are many problems on successive division method, but for better understanding, if I explain this topic first, then it will be easy for me to explain that topics. So let's do this one first. So what does this fundamental theorem of arithmetic says? So it states that every composite number can be uniquely expressed as the product of primes, okay, and except for the order in which prime factor occurs, and this factorization is unique. Did you understood? Obviously not. So let me explain. They have said that every composite number can be uniquely expressed as product of primes. That means product of primes. Product of prime is product of prime number. So we can say that composite number is equal to the product of prime numbers. Okay. Now they have said like uniquely expressed. So what does this means? This means, let's say 10 be a composite number. Obviously 10 is a composite number. So if you do the prime factorization of 10, that means 2 divided by 5. 5 is divided by 1. So 10 can be written as 2 into 5 into 1. Okay. So by the term they said uniquely expressed as product uniquely. So uniquely means 10 can be expressed in this format only. There are no other arrangement or no other form in which 10 can be expressed, especially for prime factorization. Okay. So this concept is all about prime number and composite number. If you want a detailed lecture on prime number and composite number, okay, I'll give you in this one. So don't worry. So they have said that every composite number is uniquely expressed as product. So if I did 10, if I want to write the prime factors of 10 in prime, after doing the prime factors in this one, and if I write, we can express 10 as this one. Similarly, let's say 20, 2, 10, 2, 5, 1. So if I write 20, we can say that 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. That means 2 square into 5 to the power 1 into 1 to the power 1. Okay. So don't get scared by seeing the power. I'm just writing 2 into 2 as 2 to the power 2. Okay. This means the same. So that's why I'm writing. So this means every composite number there will be a unique expansion for every composite number. So 2 square into 5 into 1. So there is no other composite number for which the expression will be same. So this expression is unique for 20. Similarly 50, 60, 80 or any composite number. So every composite number can be expressed as product of prime. Is 2, 5, 1 is a prime number. And this can be expressed as uniquely expressed as composite number. Okay. So just basically they said this one, and the factorization is unique. Yes, the factorization is unique because if it is not unique, then it will not be a unique. It will not be a prime number. Now, do you get confused about what is the prime number and composite number? Generally, let me give you an explanation on prime number and composite number. It will be easy for you to recall. I guess you have learned prime number and composite number in childhood. So let's recap. So what are prime number? Prime number, and what are composite number? So before saying prime number and composite number, let's say something else. What are factors? Okay. So how many of you know this one? Do comment. Okay. So what are factors? So then factors means a number that divides that number. And what? A number that divides that number. Say 12. So 2. Yes, 2 is a factor of 12 because 2 divides 12. 3, yes, 3 is a factor of 12 because 3 divides 12. Okay, Divide 12 means after dividing 12 by 3 we will get the remainder as 0. Okay, so till you have done factor stashing in smaller class, you have done 1 into, for example for 12 let's say 1 into 12 is equal to 12, then 2 into 6 is equal to 12, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So what are the, if they ask what are the factors of 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So these are the factors of 12. Okay, so these all are the factors of 12. So out of this one, so what are prime numbers and composite number? Prime number means a number that is having only two factors. Okay, this is the prime number. And composite number, a number which is having more than two factors. That's as simply as, since I have written 12 and 12 is having more than two factors, it was having like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 6 factors. So it will be a composite number. Let's say 2. How many factors are there in 2? 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So factors of 2 are 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. 2 factors, that means 2 is a prime number. 3, 1 into 3. So 2 factors, so 3 is a prime number. 4, 1, if you write 4 like 1 into 4 is equal to 4, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. So there are, this is not 3, this is 2. Okay, so there are 3 factors. So 3 factors means there are more than 2 factors. So this will be a composite number. So composite number. So this process continues, and you have already learned this prime number and composite number in smaller classes. So many of you are confused about what to say about 1. What to say about 1? Is 1 prime number or composite number? Do you know this one? How many of you know, do comment this one, and what's your opinion? You also comment that one. Okay, so 1 is neither prime nor composite. Why? So how you can write 1? 1 is 1 into 1. You can write 1 is 1 into 1. Okay, so what are the factors of 1? It's simply 1. I don't know if it's visible or not, but you can easily understand what I'm saying. So there 1 is having only one factors. And what is the condition for becoming prime number? Prime number is number that is having more exactly equal to 2 factors, and composite number more than 2 factors. But 1 is neither having equal to 2 factors or more than 2 factors. It is having only one factor. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, remember that one. Okay, so this one. So every composite number composite number is equal to product of prime number. This one. So I would like to say about, you have already done the HCF in smaller classes, but what is actually meaning of HCF? No, I'm not saying about how to do the HCF. I'm asking what is the meaning of HCF. I'm not asking how to find the HCF. Everyone of you know how to find HCF. But what does HCF mean? What is the meaning of HCF? What is the meaning of LCM? Do you know this one? I guess you know. So let's expand it. What is HCF? HCF. HCF means highest common factors. As the name suggests, highest common factors. So that's the meaning of HCF means. Let's say example 8 and 12. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, and 4, 8. Okay, these are the factors of 8. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay, so out of this one, let's say what are the common factors? Common factors. If you see 2 factors, so 1, 1. So 1 is a common factor. 2 is the common factor. 4 is the common factor. Now, is highest common factor. Out of all these 3 common factors, which one is the highest common factors? 4. 4 is the highest number. So HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. If you find HCF of 8 and 12, we are doing this one like 2, 4, 6, 2, then 2, 3. Okay, we're doing like this format. No, I think this one is the LCM, right? No, this one 8. So actually the highest one is only 4. Let me do that one in the later part while doing LCM. I will not confuse you with that one. So don't forget that one. So come here. So what is the highest common factor? 4. So HCF of two number means the highest common factor. Okay. You might be thinking why I am saying such basic concept. Because when I am going to solve the previous year question, previous year 10 years question, there you will find many such questions related to this simple concept. And maximum student can solve that one. Okay, so I am saying this one because others will face problem at that time. So we have got what is HCF. So say what is LCM? LCM. What is LCM? Least common factor or multiple. M, multiple, not factor. Okay. I know all of you know what is multiple, but I guess there are few ones who doesn't know what is multiples, what is multiple means. So let me see. Now, simply if I say what is multiple, then multiple means numbers that comes in the table of that particular number. So if I say multiple of 3, then you will write numbers that are coming in that table of 3, like multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. Okay, multiple let's say 4. What is the multiple of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. Okay, so out of this, let's find what is the common multiples. So generally this is the multiple means number that is coming in the table of that particular number. So common multiples are 12. And after that we are going to find few more. Okay. So I guess there will be a 24 and here will be a 24. That 24 will also be a common multiple. Then if I proceed, there will be more common multiple. But out of that we are going to find LCM. LCM means least common multiple. So out of all these multiple, which one is the least? 12. So LCM is 12. Okay. We're generally doing this one in smaller classes, so do revise that one. We're also doing this one like 3 or 4. 3, 4. We'll do 1, then 3, 4. Then we're simply doing the multiply. LCM is equal to 3 into 4, that is 12. So this is not actual. Actual way of doing this one is this one. Okay. So I have already said the basic definition of HCF, LCM, then fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This one is the main one. Okay. Then prime number, composite number, factors, multiple. Okay. So do learn this one. And I'm going to give some homework problem in my community post to check that one. And if you want any solution of any particular problem, go to my Instagram and DM me there. I'll be available there. Okay. So next lecture is coming soon. Keep learning. Thank you everyone.